For the many of us who use Google Maps on a daily basis, we know that Google Maps helps us reach our destination in the most efficient way. Have you ever wondered how map services work, how it finds fastest route? Is it hard to understand the theory behind it? Inshallah, after watching this video you will have answer for all these questions. So, let's dive into the theory behind it. Before start, you need to understand graph theory. So, what is graph theory? Graph theory is the study of points and lines. In particular, it involves the ways in which sets of points, called vertices, can be connected by lines or arcs, called edges. Graphs in this context differ from the more familiar coordinate plots that portray mathematical relations and functions.
Now let's see how graph theory used in Google Map. Let's suppose you are waiting for your friend in John Labu Cafe, but your friend asked you to meet in another coffee shop named Anas Coffee. He gave you his location through WhatsApp and now you need to go there. So you opened your phone and looked for directions in Google Map. The application showed you 3 shortest possible routes to Anas Coffee. Now think, how did Google Map provided you the shortest routes to Anas Coffee? In order to understand the scenario in depth, we need to look for further explanation. Let's assume, between you and your friend's distance each of the intersection of road is a node. Like this we will find 14 nodes. Let's mark these nodes as Node A, Node B, Node C, Node D, Node E, Node F, Node G, Node H, Node I, Node J, Node K, Node L, Node M, and Node N. And the roads are edges. Remember, all the roads are one-way road and which is directed left to right. For the first direction the edges are directed from Node A to B, Node B to C, Node D to E, Node E to F, Node G to H, Node H to I, Node J to K, Node K to L, and Node M to N. And the nodes are also connected up to down. Node A to D, Node B to E, Node C to F, Node D to G, Node E to H, Node F to I, Node G to J, Node H to K, Node I to L, Node J to M, Node L to N. Now we need to extract the graph. Let's give all the edges a label. Now we will make the graph weighted by giving values to all the edges. So we can calculate the way that has the lowest sum of weight from node A to N. We can find 3 ways that has same lowest value 17. These paths are A to B, B to C, C to F, F to I to L, and L to N. Second one is A to D, D to G, G to J, J to M, and M to N. And the last one is A to B, B to E, E to H, H to I to L, and L to N. Here you can see the shortest path are marked blue. Let's replace this graph into the map again. Now let's check if Google also say the same or not. You can see, starting point John Labu Cafe is marked as red and endpoint Anas Coffee marked as green. Let's open Google's direction bar and pick these points. Google Map also provided the same path as we calculated from John Labu Cafe to Anas Coffee. These were the explanation of graph theory used in maps and GPS services. However, real road have multiple factors affecting the time it takes to travel. These include length, speed limit, traffic lights, road traffic condition, and many other small details. Thanks to those specific algorithm and artificial intelligence to handle these, and give map services like Google Map ability to always provide shortest and safest way to our destination.